Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are talk about JavaScript Map. So what is JavaScript Map? Here it is a question. A JavaScript Map is a built-in object. You see here, map. This one, this map, it is an object. This is you see here, built-in object. This map, it is a built-in object that store data in key value pairs, where both keys and value can be any data type. You can save it, or use it any data type. It could be number or strings, boolean values, etc. Simple here memory line. There is a map flexible key value storage with order plus power. Why map exists? This is a real problem. Before maps, developers used the objects. Here, this is we have an example. This is here uses objects. Here like const ob set is equal to object. Okay, then it is obj. This is here. Then inside it here, what we have the user. It is equal to row. And here what is the problem? Key are always converted to the strings. You see here, this one always converted to the strings. Cannot safely use object as a keys. No direct dot size iteration is messy. So that's why your map was introduced. And here's the example. We will take a real example, a real life example. Netflix watch tracker system we will build here. You are building a backend feature like Netflix. Each user is an object, not just a strings. Each user has watch data show plus progress. You need to fast update, clean SS order, maintain perfect use case for the map code. Here we have that codes. So let me. This is here create a map. First step const watch list is equal to new map. Then we have to console.log here step 1. And then here it is empty map and then your watch list. So here what happened, a map is created internally. It is empty, no key value pair. So let me try to execute that things. This is where we are go to that new folder. Let me open the cmd, then inside it we will execute that files. So we have to resize this and here. Okay, so copy this path, open, change the directory, go inside it, and then execute your file. Script underscore 64, and you see here step 1 empty map, just it is created here. So that's fine. Then here let me here create users objects. Here const user1 is equal to inside it here name, and that is row. Then const user2 is equal to inside it here which is Sanket, and then here you write console.log here step 2 users created, then we have user1, then we have user2. Got it? So what happens guys, here these are objects in the memory. Each object has a unique reference. Here what we have the important thing, even if two objects look same, they are different keys. So let me print that code and see your output. Name Rahul, name Ankit. Got it? So here even if two objects look the same, this one object are same here, but they are different keys. Now step 3, here add Rahul data to the watch list. In the map, this is your empty map. Let me add here. So watch list dot set, then inside here your user1. Then what you have to do, So money heist, this is here, money heist, then progress, it is here, this is progress, right here, says 2, that is fine. Console.log, step 3, you know what, after readings Rahul, that is watch list, got it. So here we have added what your first rounds here, what happened internally here, key reference of user 1 and value Rahul watch data map now stores like this one. Here you see, this name Rahul, okay, this users, it is showing your, so favorite, so it is the money heist and its progress session 2. I hope you got this. In this is map 1, and inside it here Rahul watching money heist and progress, it is session 2. Here what, key, it is equal to reference of user 1. I mean, this is here, you see this is key, user 1, it is key, and this is of user values here, got it. And this is a arrow symbol, this is a key, and this is a data, I mean values of this user 1. Now similarly let's add the, now step 4, let's here add the Ankit data here, watch list dot set, then what we have user 2, then inside it is so stranger things, then progress, it is session 1, okay, right console.log, step 4 here, after adding Ankit and then watch list, that is fine, then check it here again, we have added this one, okay. Now here says step 4, after adding Ankit map 2, this is your map first, we have only one data key values here, in the it is a map 2, and inside it here it is a user 1, it is user 2, and this user 1 have values, this one, so many heist, progress session 2, and then we have values here, so stranger things and progress episode, I mean session 1. Now my first 2 entries just you see in the terminal, and order is Rahul and Ankit. Map always remember in sessions orders. So let me here again, this is here update Rahul progress, this one user 1, it is Rahul. Now I'm going to update this sessions, so it is very simple, watch list dot set, it is user 1, and then inside it here, so it is a money heist, okay, then we have progress, it is here session 3, farm chain document, and then console.log here, right, step 5, then after updating Rahul, and this is watch list, this is user 1, so let me check it here, you have updated this session value to 3, and you see session, I mean this Rahul, first time have the session, I mean progress session 2, but now at this time progress session 3, we have what, session 3, got it. So we have updated the values here, updated our progress here. Now it is a very important concept, map check, does this key already exist? Yes, if it exists, it updates the value, no duplicate is created here. This is why the map is efficient. Then we have another thing here, get the Rahul data. How you can, here we are setting using the set method, okay, for the map. And then we have another get methods. So here get the Rahul data, const Rahul data is equal to watch list dot get. Then what we have here, user 1 console.log. Here step 6 Rahul data. What we have here, Rahul data. Okay. Map uses the exact object reference to fetch values and use here your Rahul data. What we have here, this is your updated value. So money is 10 progress session 3. Got it? So how to get your data using this get methods. Here you have to write comma, get Rahul data using this get method. You can set it here or update using the set methods. Now we have to check the size here, your map size. You can write comment about size console.log step 7. This is total users. Then here what we have, watch list dot size. This is size, and we have two values. You see total 2 users that we have added in the maps. No manual counting needed here. It automatically count everything. Then next and last one, how that is step 8. Iterate through the map. How you can iterate using the map functions. This is here console.log and inside string step 8. That is here iterating map. Here write for let user. This is user comma we have data then of watch list, and then inside it console.log users dot name. Okay, and then here write is each watching, then comma dot dot. So here it is on dot dot progress. Okay. So here what happened, guys, here Rahul is watching money, his trend is on session 3, and Ankit is watching stranger thing and is on session 1. So to check it here, and you see step 8 iterating map. Here Rahul is watching money, his trend is on session 3, and Ankit is watching stranger things, it is on session 1. Got it? So here it is a key observation, order is preserved. Okay, destructuring user data make it clean, direct access without the extra methods. Got it? It is all about the things. Now here deep understanding about the map. This is right here comma deep understand standing. Got it? Then we have first one, map user reference. This is here map users reference. Here let me write here the const a, it is equal to inside it write the name, it is Rahul. This is const b, it is equal to name Rahul, and this is here const b, it is Rahul. Then here if you try to set here watch list dot set inside a and okay, then here data then this will not work here, like watch list dot get b. This is wrong here. Why? Because a now is not equal b, different memory references. So this is wrong. Here you have to just get a values, not b value. Even you see same object, that is fine. But you see here you try to get b value, this is wrong. So why map is powerful in real apps? In real apps, users it is equal to object, products it is equal to object, DOM nodes it is equal to object. Only map can safely use them as keys. So it is all about your maps. Set method and get method, how you can set the value and get the value from the map. So that's all about your map, JavaScript maps. So in this here map method. So in the next lecture we will move to the next one. That is what we have another topic, maps method. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.